Hey, Kevin here from selfreliantlife.com, and we've got great news. I'm very excited to tell you. We actually have created the house plans for the exact house we built right here on the property. We've had so many people asking about this, and we finally bit the bullet and created the house plans and all the floor plan, the elevation showing the outside of the house. It's the 24 by 24 house with the 12 by 24 covered patio on the front, and you get all the measurements, you get the side views, the elevation, the foundation, all the information you need. You get the truss plans, which is very important because you have to have engineered truss plans for your to get your permit to build a house, and so that's included in here. Materials list for the project to shell in the house is here. Now, we didn't do a material list for all the materials because it depends on how you want to finish it out. You may want to do a different type of siding or interior than we did. So what I did was I gave you the actual materials list we used to buy all the materials to shell the building in, okay? So that's what you're going to get, so that you can buy the materials all at once and get a bulk discount from whatever lumber yard you get, and you can literally email this to them or fax it to them, send it out to several different lumber yards, and get the best price possible on your material list so you can build the house for the least amount of money. And then we're going to also include our personal project budget that we used to build the house. It's going to show you what it cost us, what we estimated it was going to cost us for the different phases of construction, what it actually cost us for those phases of construction, so you can see the budget that we created, and it came in around $30,000, just as a side note. And then a free bonus is going to be from our Builders Developers course that we offer, which I'll put a link below for that as well, so if you want to go take a look at that, is the CD on finding a piece of property. And it goes into the detail about how to go out and find a piece of property and how to determine whether it's the right property for you, and you know what the feasibility is of that particular property versus another, so you can compare and decide this is the right place, this is the budget I had, this is where we're going to develop our home site. All that's included. Now this is going to be on a special price right now for 1 week, 7 days from the time we put this video up. Normally it's going to be $59 after that special offer for 1 week. Right now we're going to give it to you for $39, big discount right now, because it's a new product that we just put together for this crowd, and I just want to thank everybody. So I'm going to give them a special discount right now. We have about 14,000 subscribers. We had over 660,000 minutes of view time in the last month, and I know a lot of people are interested in this. We're getting questions, when you know, are you going to have a floor plan? Is there house plans for your house? Here it is. We've got it. That's ready for you at a great discount. This is a special offer that's almost half price from where we're going to be when it goes to full retail, and just as a thank you for all the, you know, watching us over the last few years while we built the project out. Now, it's not now or never. It's always going to be available. It's just now or retail. So better price now, almost half off. Later on, it's going to be available just at a higher rate. So just remember that. For 1 week only, this is the price. See you on the next video.